this video, we'll be showing you how to disassemble an INNOMAG TV Mag series wet end. And there you have it. Now let's take a closer look at that. After placing the wet end on a clean flat surface, the first thing you're going to want to do is remove the 8 casing bolts that connect the containment ring to the casing. Once you've removed all the bolts, rotate the containment ring, and then while pressing down the containment shell, lift the containment ring up and off. After that, pull the containment shell out straight up, and do the same thing with the impeller. The wet end is now disassembled and ready for inspection.